In today's video we are going to see how Bluetooth wireless headphones work. To charge them, connect a micro USB cable to the back of the box, with the headphones inside. We click on the button on the box and see how a light comes on. This means that it is charging. To connect them we have two options: connect only one to talk on the phone, or connect the two to listen to music. For the first option, we have to press the power button until we see the lighting of the light. Once turned on, we go to the Bluetooth option of our phone, and once the device worked, we connected it. We turn it off until the light goes out. For the second option, turn on the two headphones at the same time, press the two buttons at the same time, until the lights turn on. We will pair them by pressing twice in rapid succession to the button of one of them. We will see that one of them keeps the light, while in the other it goes out. This is that they have been matched correctly. We return to the Bluetooth of our phone, look for the device and connect it. I hope you liked it, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.